Abraham, who started second, of course, he's back in 10th place. So it's Jack Miller 9, it's Baz 11, Rabat 12, Paul Espargaro 13, 14 is Hector Barber, 15 is Bradley Smith, and Andrea only with that ride through penalty in 16th place. Collision between Davizioso
Pasti kasih beli cicing. Lalu paling oke.
Samler is retired with a gearbox problem. Alex Rins crashed.
Sama
Marquez crashed out with a comfortable lead.
Jauh tuh tinggal 5 sekian.
First leg of the race from the Ducati. They've been in this position before, haven't they? Aspar Ducati. Eugene Laverty was fourth in the race here last year, wasn't he? So they know what it's like to take a fourth place. There was a lot of crashes in the race here last year, though. Absolutely superb job. Maverick Vinales is in a race of his own out the front. The social media questions we have in the press conference now is interesting. Somebody asked him, do you talk to yourself inside the helmet under the bike? He said, I do. I really do. He said, guitarist, keep calm, keep calm. That's what he was saying. Now he said, concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Yeah, focus, focus. Look at that. How many times was he in those high 139s, Maverick Vinales? Threatened this in winter testing. Could he live up to the billing of pre-season favourite? Could he carry on the form of winter testing with all the pressure and expectation on his shoulders? Well, the answer's been pretty emphatic. He's on course for back-to-back victories at number 25. If he does so, of course, as we told you at the start of the programme, no rider on a Yamaha in the Premier Class has won the first two races of the season since Wayne Rainey, all the way back in 1990. Wow, that's an incredible record, isn't it? You would have thought Valentino Rossi would have done it at some stage. Yeah, or at his time, but he didn't try anything silly, did he, to go with it? No wonder Lynn Jarvis is smiling, the managing director of Yamaha Racing is stand at the moment. Vinales in first place, Rossi second, Crutchlow third, Batista, Zarco, Petrucci, Folger, Redding, Miller, and Abraham. Good ride by Carol Abraham once again in 10th place. I think Cal Crutchlow might have called off the dogs here in this chase of Valentino Rossi, because he's now 0.6 of a second behind the Italian. Rossi streaking away then for second place. Cal Crutchlow will know with just 3 laps to go that the podium's going to be so important. He'll want to be bringing it home. Crosses the line, 3 laps to go for Cal Crutchlow. Gabe Vinales dips back into those high 139s. It's absolutely awesome. It's not only the speed, it's the consistency. And barely any deviation in his lap time at all. And of course, the concentration, riders tell you that's what they have to do. They have to ride as quick as they possibly can to keep that concentration absolutely on the edge. When they start dropping and thinking about, okay, we're nice, comfortable lead, we're okay. That's awful when mistakes are made. It would have been interesting how far Marquez and Vinales would have had for him. There was a gap of over 2 seconds. Look at that, Vinales and Rossi. They will be the top 2 in the championship. What a start of the year for Yamaha. They're about to take 1-2 here in Argentina. They'll be 1 and 2 in the championship. Great for Scott Redding in 4th place in the World Championship. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Yeah, 8th place he is at the moment, Redding. You just take the chances that come your way. We're talking about KTM with Bradley Smith and Paul Espargaro. They finish at the points. They take whatever comes their way. They have crashed. They get it like hasn't broken down. Unlike Petrucci's under real pressure now from Jonas Folger. This is for 6th place. Jonas Folger will be happy to try and get his first top 6 finish in MotoGP. Unlike Petrucci will be desperate to hang on to it. We haven't seen Petrucci inside the top 6, believe it or not, since Sepang way back in 2015. So there's a bit of pride at stake in this one. Petrucci getting it back, the caddy moving him out, coming through turn 10. Well, as we saw in his battle with Danny Pedrosa, he's not an easy man to overtake. Of course, Folger on the podium here last year in Moto 2 in 3rd place. Yeah, they're just letting Crutchlow know that Bautista's 3 seconds behind him. So Crutchlow, with just 2 laps to go, should be a relatively easy cruise to his first podium since his victory in Phillip Island. This is Petrucci, still running in 6th place. Jonas Folger right behind him. Good old battle between Redding, Miller, Abraham and Baz. Good point scoring by all 4 of those. Yeah, there they are at the first corner now. Well, Abraham will be happy. He always said that even though he qualified on the front row of the grid, if he could finish inside the top 10, that would be a good conclusion to what's been an outstanding weekend for the Czech rider. It's handled everything brilliantly, doesn't he? Asked about criticism about him coming into MotoGP. Was he surprised where he was? What did he think of his feet? Very Petrucci's got past Petrucci, so Folger up into 6th place.
Petrucci desperately like Petrucci's just run out of rear grip. You can just see him there. He was absolutely sideways coming out of turn 5 on the gas.
He come back at him, he is up the inside at turn 7, but Folger holds firm.
Petrucci would be better off in the Italian dirt track champs at the moment.
Harriman come up over the rise into turn 9, this bang to left-hander.
You know how good of that motorcycle, that Yamaha is, Nick, when you've got Zarco and Folger both in the top 6. This is only their second MotoGP race and they're sticking that M1 inside the top 6.
Vinales on his last lap, chasing his second successive Grand Prix win. Valentino Rossi, well, good 3rd place for him in Qatar, 2nd place here. He'll be pretty pleased. 2 podium finishes at the start of the season.
Not a bad way to celebrate your 350th Grand Prix.
I quite agree.
That was Valentino Rossi as a fresh-faced 17-year-old on the left back in 1996. And there he is, still fighting for Grand Prix victories 21 years later in his 350th Grand Prix.
Here's Vinales down at turn 5. Rossi, Crutchlow, he's got a glimpse coming into the back straight. Was Alvaro Bautista.
This will be Alvaro Bautista's best result since he was on the podium at Le Mans in 2014. 3 years ago since we've seen Bautista this high up the field.
Vinales at 7. Rossi and Crutchlow. Half a lap to go. 22-year-old Spaniard could increase his lead in the World Championship and could be celebrating 2 successive Grand Prix wins in his 2 rides with the factory Yamaha team.
Yeah, what a day it's been for Yamaha. A 1 and 2 in the championship for Vinales and Rossi. 1 and 2 in this race. The rookies, Zarco and Folger inside the top 6. Doesn't get much better than that.
Here's Vinales into 13. 1 bend to go for the 22-year-old Spaniard. He's going to win here in Argentina. Maverick Vinales wins. Valentino Rossi 2nd. Cal Crutchlow 3rd.
I'm sure we see a brilliant Alvaro Bautista over the line in 4th place. There is a jubilant Vinales. Rossi looks pretty pumped as well, having come from 7th place on the grid. Vinales really ecstatic. What a ride by Johan Zarco. Brilliant 5th place for the number 5. A great ride as well by Jonas Folger, who came through on Daniel Petrucci. Petrucci then misses out on that top 6 again. He has to settle for 7th.
Scott running in 8th place, Jack Miller 9th, Karel Abraham 10th, and Loris Baz in 11th place. And the KTM scored some points as the whole circuit is engulfed in yellow smoke.
KTM's have indeed. Espargaro 14, just ahead of his teammate Bradley Smith. Andre Iannone comes over the line at a pretty full-on 16th place. He was in a tangle with Euler, ends up the first corner. For me, completely innocent, Iannone. By that point, he didn't know. He'd already jumped the start and was facing a ride-through penalty.
Right, Yamaha rule. Yamaha dominate. 22-year-old and a 38-year-old. 1st and 2nd in the World Championship. Can anybody beat them? Well, Marc Marquez has got a great record at Austin in Texas, and that's where we are next. Great result for Cal Crutchlow on the LCR Honda.
Yeah, boy, did he make Rossi work for that 2nd place.
Good luck between him and Danilo Petrucci. Texas. And to Marc Marquez country, big style. And this man, 22 years old, takes some beating.
Another stat we can roll out now, apparently about Maverick Vinales. Winning the race here today in Argentina. He's the first rider to win the first 2 races in a new team since Kenny Roberts Jr. back in 1999. He joined the Suzuki factory team.
Yeah.
And there's confirmation on the screens of what we told you earlier on. The first Yamaha rider to win the opening 2 Premier Class races of the year since Wayne Rainey in 1990. That's such a long time ago in 1990.